Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour and Highlighting Makeup Kit, Contouring Foundation Concealer Palette, Vegan, Cruelty-free Hypoallergenic, step-by-step instructions included. This is a great kit. Especially, for people over 40, cream works better than powder. Discarded the booklets immediately, as they would case the makeup to get stuck in the outer case. You don't have to pay a high price on makeup artists when you go to special occasions. Do it yourself. Blends so beautifully. It's velvety soft, not cakey, and it is so easy to apply. The mirror was broken, and the makeup itself was melted some, and a mess. Love this product. A bit hard to blend if you're not a pro, but easily learned. They are super easy to blend, and even come with a template to show you what color goes where. Another positive is that it comes with instructions on how to apply the different shades. They are small little trays, and although it's a good texture, and goes on well, it's oily, and it's going to run out really fast. It's a great palette with many color options for your skin tone, but after a while it dries out. It has a high-end feel to it, but without the price tag. Definitely planning on getting the same contour palette, but in the powder version. P.S. The color names are cute. The pans are magnetic and removable, and there is a lot of product. Other than that little disappointment, this is the first time I've attempted to contour, and this made it really easy. You have to go over with it more than once in order for the product to really be seen, but it does go on smoothly, and you can build it to get the tone you need. Best contour kit I've ever had, but the colors are a bit strange to me. The contouring guide inside is not the best, but the product itself is smooth and extremely to apply. And at that price, even if you're not good at it, or don't like contouring, you didn't dig yourself a hole. I've worn it all day, and at least for me, it didn't fade, or change color. There was a slight Parabens toed contour kit, and it seemed like it was stale, or gone bad. First time contouring, and this stuff makes it easy. Comes with a how-to guide, and a video available on their website. Again, if you're older, powder can be tricky, so always remember less is more. Love this product. Don't lie, y'all know it's true. Unless you're a professional mua that can slay to the gods of contouring, this post ain't for you. The label says made in PRC, which means it is made in the People's Republic of China. Love it. You can be as minimal, or as dramatic as you want to be. This product is what I've been searching for. It doesn't leave your face feeling dry, or cake-like. Goes on a little dry, and you have to do a little mixing to get the colors right. It gives you step-by-step on how to apply, and in what shades depending on the type of face you have, oval, heart, etc. And if you're new to contouring, Terry's helpful little guides that comes with the product, like how to contour according to different face shapes. This definitely does the change you need to bring out contour and brightness to your face. Love this product. It even comes with simple instructions if you are new to contouring. This is a good kit for learning to contour, but once you've gotten the hang of it, you'll soon be looking for something more blendable with better pigment. The product goes on smoothly, it's easy to blend, and the end product is amazing. Gives me a really nice look, but doesn't do all that other stuff it said. The product was nothing like the description, and has the texture, and consistent, or child's play makeup. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.